Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. I hope everybody had a happy new year and all the best in 2018. I want to show you a little journal that I just finished working on, and I'm taking advantage while the lighting isn't too bad yet because I'm filming this downstairs in my craft room. It's a wedding themed journal. On the front I made it using some lace type fabric, and it covers satin. And then I've got this super large wedding applique from a vintage dress that I wrapped around the front and back covers and over the spine. And I've got some little flower appliques here. There's another one here. And on the back I have a little butterfly applique. And then there's some trim around the edges and some lace, and it's held close with the ribbon. Now this is a wedding journal, but it's not just for the wedding itself. I had planned this so that it could be used from start to finish. For example, I've got 5 tabs that you can write on here, so you could title these, and I thought this would be great for recording special events such as, of course, the engagement and the engagement party if you're having one. Another section could be used for the wedding dress, ideas of what you would like to wear, and you could also include some photos in there. And then actual photos of the dress and the day you spent shopping for it. And then you could have another section for your bridesmaids and your bachelorette party if you have one. And then, of course, the wedding day and the reception, and then you could keep the last section for the honeymoon. But that would be entirely up to you how you decide to use it, but I thought that those would be great themes to incorporate in there. On the inside, this is like a velour type fabric, and again I've got some little lacy trim here. There's a little card where you can write a date on the front, and here's beautiful paper. It's actually more like a cardstock. It's a two-sided paper, but it's quite thick. And I've got on here some little charms, and here's a little hourglass. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. On the inside there's a pocket, and you can journal on the front or put a small photo, and there's a tag. I've got some sheets of music paper in here. And then, of course, there's the journaling pages. And so there's 18 pages that you can write in each section. So multiply that by 5. And there's another sheet music. Now here on the back section of this part, I've got a tag, and you can slide something behind there, put a photo here. So that's the first signature. There are 5 stitch signatures in here. Here's a second signature where you have room for a photo. Again, there's another tag inside a small pocket. And the paper that you can write on. Again, some beautiful music, sheet music paper. And I also have a couple of little tabs that are made of gold colored ribbon. And there's another little corner section where you can tuck something in there. There's a third signature. And on this one I have a little key with a heart attached to a chain. And there's the papers. And here what I did is I put a little bit of lace trim on the edge and covered it with some scrapbook paper. So it gives it a nice little edge. And there's, oops, I think I have another, yeah, I have another little tag here, and you can slide something behind. Another signature. Here's the back. Again, you can tuck something in behind. And here's the last signature. And I have a little 4-leaf clover on there for good luck. And here's my tag. A little postcard. So this would be ideal for the honeymoon if you planned a trip. And there's another little tag on the back that you can write on. And again, there's beautiful velour gold colored fabric. So this is my little wedding event journal. I'll be listing it in my Etsy shop. If anybody's interested in purchasing it, I will include links down below. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.